In this video, I will show you how to submit your senior project video to the It's Learning assignment for grading. First, let's recognize that when we create a video using Screencastify, it automatically saves in your Google folder. Here, I'm in my Google Drive, and when I'm in my Drive, I notice that I have a folder titled Screencastify. Screencastify created this folder for me. If I open this folder, all of my videos created with Screencastify will be shown here. Here is my senior project video. To submit the video, I need to start in It's Learning. So I'm going to go to It's Learning. Here on my home page, I have a list of all my courses. I need to find the course titled Class of 2021. If it's not here in this top section of courses, which is my starred courses, I can scroll down and look in the other courses section as well. If I do not find this course, you need to notify your teacher so that we can figure out why your access is not there. Once I have the course, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open to the overview page. On this page, I have my list of tasks over here in the upper right corner. Notice that I do have one task. It does say no deadline on it, so I'm just going to click on that, and here the task has been shown, Senior Project Video Submission. Okay, so on my overview page, Class of 2021, here is the project in my task menu. Once I click on that assignment, I'm going to come to the screen, which has some information regarding the submission of my video. Once I read that, I'm going to choose Answer Assignment. This screen appears. It gives me a text box and also an opportunity to add files. Here, I'm going to add my video file. When I click Add Files, I then need to choose Google Drive. This screen will open up. I need to choose my Screencastify folder, and here is the file, my senior project video. So I'm going to click on it and click Select. Now I can scroll underneath and I can see that that file has been added to this assignment. If I need to add other files that are pertinent to my project, I can click Add Files again, choose my Google Drive, and I can add additional files as needed. Additional files are not required. However, if you have a file that you think is pertinent to your project, you may certainly add it. Here you can see both files have been added. If I need to add a message, I can certainly do that here. Once I'm satisfied with the message that I need to give, as well as ensuring that my video file is attached, I can choose Submit. Now I can see that my project has been submitted. My two files are accessible here. If I go back to my overview page, I notice that the task is no longer there. However, if I click on Completed, I can see that I actually did submit my work. And that is how you submit your video, your senior project video, for grading. Note that on this Class of 2021 page, you also do have additional videos to refer to for your project.